Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to edit bio on Facebook. Maybe you want to change your bio on Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can edit your bio on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. In here, you need to go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. Once you are in your profile page, you will see here your current bio. To edit your current bio, simply tap on this bio. And then as you can see in here, edit bio. Simply tap on this edit bio. And then now, simply tap on this box and change your bio. After that, simply tap on the Save button to save it. As you can see, your bio is now updated. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to edit bio on Facebook, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way to edit your bio on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.